welcome back. Right, so today I'm welding the floor to the toe board. Now, when I made the jig, I didn't really think about welding this part. So what I found is the brake on the main frame, the 3x3 that goes across here between the two legs is literally right in line with this junction here. So I've had to take it off the front supports, lift it all up just so I can get to them from underneath. The inside's obviously fine, it's just underneath. So I've already welded this part here, driver's side. I'm just gonna plug weld these bits through here and some bits on here, and then the rest of the welding, plug welding, is on the underside. So where I took the old floor out, obviously I drilled all the spot welds in the toe board part where it meets the tunnel. So all the holes are underneath, so I'll weld them from underneath there. So what I may do to get over that, so effectively the shell needs to go that way by about 2 inches. So what I can actually do is the front and rear jig parts, I can move the back one back 2 inches, drill another hole to set that in position, and then I can actually cut off 2 inches of the front sleeve bars, box sleeves, and then move that forward 2 inches, and then that'll give, on future projects, that'll give me access to this point underneath without having to take it all off. I did screw all this together before I lifted it up, so everything's where it should be. So yeah, I'm going to get on with welding that. welding's getting better. I've just put a little shitty bit there. Make a welder out of me yet. So obviously got all that to weld underneath there, but you can see where that join is directly under that or over that bar, so I think I'm going to have to move that over just to make it easier in the future. So I'm going to get that welded underneath. I'll show you in a bit. Right, so I've plug welded underneath here. I can tell you something, I absolutely hate welding upside down. What an absolute pain in the backside. So there we go. Not pretty, but there's actually good penetration on the inside. So I'm going to get that back down. Oof, sorry. It's quite good penetration. Yeah, so I'm going to get that back down on the jig properly. Right, so next job is, so you can, the lights any good on that. That's, there's a lot of pit in there and it's been battered somehow. So I was going to replace that part of it with a new part, but I'm 95% sure on this inner wing part, this bit returns round to the A panel. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the A panel back just so I can see what's behind there. I may even just take the whole front end off, but I'll cut the A panel, I'll see what's there. I've got two options then, either a welder piece on there as the return, or get a proper inner wing and cut that whole section out. I know what I prefer to do, is probably just weld a section on here, but let's get that off and we'll have a look. Ooh dear, oh dearie dearie me. Dearie dearie me. Yeah, so I was right. Does return round, and look at that. It's predominantly alright. I can probably salvage the top part, but that definitely needs replacing there, doesn't it? So I think what I'll do, I'll what to do. I think I'll weld a bit on that bit, I think. Thing is, that's where that needs to be. That ain't wide enough there anyway. There's a massive gap underneath there. So that's actually the wrong, that is the wrong shape for that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut this section out and leave myself a bit of play. Because I can cut that and re-bend these bits. It fits perfectly there, but then you can see the line for that is off. And that predominantly wants to sit down there, so something's out. This is what I hate seeing. Take a bit off, more rust. And that is why I am probably going to do the whole aperture. That just looks too low, that bit. Wants to go well up. Oh, I don't know what to do. Just seems like completely the wrong shape. It is end machine, so I'll have a look on why is nothing ever easy, eh? Right, I've made, so where's the old bit? So obviously I've done this, I'm going to do this, well, I've done this both same on both sides. So I've cut this out. The section I got from M Machine seemed like completely the wrong shape, so get rid of that. I've made a new piece, and it all fits as I need it to. Clamped it in, so I'm just going to start welding that in, and then I'll show you what I've done. Was there any issues on this side? No, yeah, so I'll show you what I've done once I've done it. Right, so that's that one welded in. Don't look great, but hopefully it'll grind back okay. I've still got a spot weld, plug weld the underside, and these bits in here, and I have also done this piece. I have ground that back. Probably needs a bit of a fine feel, to be honest. It's not amazing, but it works. And the same on the inside, really. I've just got a plug weld these bits on. Like I say, I'll clean that up. Probably could do with a bit of a fill, but I'm struggling a little bit still, but it's kind of getting there. We'll see what that cleans up like. So I'll get these bits welded on inside and out, and I'll clean these up, and we'll have a look at it. Right, so that's both the inner wing sections done, all ground up. Just need to skim over it. All spot. I haven't welded these bits yet, just in case I need to do something when the door aperture comes out. Sorry, batch cut out then. But yeah, so passenger side also done. So some parts of it I haven't welded yet. I can't get to the underneath here to tap that in properly, so I haven't done that. So what's the next step? See, they've used brass, or they've brazed these rather than weld them. Yeah, so what's next? Door apertures. So yeah, rear quarter off, door aperture out, and I'm more than likely going to unpick this drip rail, which I need to do anyway for the door aperture, but it's looking a bit manky. I think water's been getting in there somehow, so yeah, that'll be next.